Ayan mga chong, papatak na naman ng ulan. So 3:30 pa lang, tapos na yung ating work. Sana walking ako for about a few minutes. Kaya lang masama ang weather. So umulan. So subukan ko kung itigil yung ulan para makapag-cardio man lang tayo before ending the day. Kaya lang mukhang hindi na to titila. So, ayan, as usual, siguro quick kwentuhan na naman tayo mga chong while waiting na tumila yung ulan. Yan ang problema dito pag winter or malamig. Or kung hindi man umuulan, malamig, so nakakatamad lumabas. But again, siguro, ayan, while waiting magpatila, quick kwentuhan na naman tayo. Just for the sake of sharing. So on my previous vlogs mga chong, I've shared na we're lucky. We got an offer from another company. It's a financial institution. So I'm thankful that I've made through the interview and I was given an opportunity. I was offered a job. But yesterday, I've already informed the recruiter first na after careful consideration, I've finally decided na I'll be just declining the offer. But I said thank you. Nagpasalamat ako dun sa mga recruiter. Yung recruiter was actually dalawa sila. So they were actually very helpful. So I appreciate their effort. And from time to time, they would actually call me to give guidance kung paano i-handle yung interview. So yeah, they were more than helpful. So if not for them, I won't be given that opportunity. Kaya lang guys, after careful consideration of the offer, I've realized na yung current role ko and yung opportunity is of the same value. And it's not worthy of taking the risk, moving to another company. Although it's almost the same role, but it's almost, I've weighed the pros and cons and it's likely, same value lang. So walang great benefit of moving to another company. Well, of course, as I've mentioned on my previous vlogs, when you move from one company to another, of course, may konting exchange. So sometimes, of course, yung adjustments, you have to deal with another client, another environment, new sets of colleagues. And, of course, you'll be under probation for another 6 months. So I've weighed the pros and cons and, although I'm very thankful of the opportunity, pero I've decided, I've informed the recruiter first that I'll be declining this week the offer. And, But, as I've said, guys, on my previous vlogs as well, na sometimes I do that, no? Yung ma-interview man lang. Kahit I'm not very keen in looking for another job, but sometimes it's a win-win opportunity yung magpa-interview ka, especially kung may tumawag sa'yo. Normally kasi dito, and of course, the same din naman sa Philippines, kung updated yung profile nyo sa LinkedIn or sa JobStreet, once in a while, especially sa mga nasa IT field, once in a while yung mga recruiter, they'll be busy looking for hunting roles. So, tinawagan lang ako dito. And pag may mga ganyan na tumatawag sa akin, most of the time ini-entertain ko. Kahit I'm not very keen in even I'm not actively looking, kasi chance yan na na yung ma-experience yung ma-interview, malaman nyo yung value nyo, just to see kung ano yung market options sa labas. So it's a good opportunity to compare what's in it for you outside your current role. Kaya about a month ago, nung tumawag sa akin yung recruiter na yon, even if I'm not very keen on moving to another company, I've entertained. And actually, there was a total of 3 interviews in all. So panel interview siya, and luckily, naipasa ko naman. And yun nga, I was given an offer. Kaya lang, yun, I've weighed the pros and cons, and yeah, I've realized na there's not much of a value. It's not worthy of making adjustments, move to another company. So yun, mas okay na I'll be staying in my current role. And ano naman siya. Anyway, full-time work from home pa naman ako. So yun naman yung benefit. So I have more time, and I want less adjustments compared to moving to another company. So, yun lang muna guys. That's my quick sharing habang naghihintay tayo na tumila yung ulan. So, yan. So, I've decided to just decline the offer and continue with my current role. So, yun muna mga chong. See you in the next video. Thank you.